Hello viewers, today we are going to learn some basics of chemistry. Now let's learn what is matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. For example, book, stone, water, air, etc. Now see, classification of matter. The matter is classified on two bases. First is the physical properties of matter and other is chemical properties of matter. Hence, the classification of matter is of two types: the physical classification, which is based upon physical properties of matter, and the chemical classification, which is based upon chemical properties of matter. Now let's learn the physical classification of matter. On the basis of this classification, matter is classified into three types: solid, liquid, and gas. Now let's learn the properties of these three states of matter. On the basis of physical classification of matter, the matter is classified into solid, liquid, and gases. Solids have fixed shape and volume, and the interparticle space among particles in solid is negligible, and the interparticle force of attraction is maximum in liquid. Liquids have fixed volume but no fixed shape, and it takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. Interparticle space among particles is more than solid, but interparticle force of attraction is less than solid. Gas. Gases have indefinite shape and volume. The interparticle space among particles in gases is maximum while the interparticle force of attraction is least. Now let's see the chemical classification of matter. On this basis, the matter is classified into two types: pure substances and impure substances. Impure substances are also called mixture. Now what is pure substance? Pure substances have fixed composition and a formula, while the impure substances have invariable composition and do not have a formula. Pure substances are further classified into two types: elements and compounds. What is element? Elements are made up of only one kind of atoms, for example, hydrogen, while the compounds are made up of two or more than two atoms of different elements in a fixed ratio, for example, water. Elements are further classified into three types: metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Compounds are also further classified into inorganic compounds and organic compounds on the basis of their origin. Impure substances are further classified into homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. What is homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture have uniform composition throughout the mixture, for example, salt solution. Heterogeneous mixture have non-uniform composition throughout the mixture, for example, colloids. Now let's learn some important definitions. Element. An element is the simple and pure form of matter which cannot be decomposed into simpler substances. All elements are made up of atoms, the smallest particle of an element that represents all the properties of an element. Now, compound. A compound is the pure form of matter which is made up of two or more than two atoms of different types of elements in a definite proportion. It has a formula. Atom. An atom is the smallest particle of an element which may or may not exist independently but can take part in a chemical reaction. Molecule. When two or more than two atoms of same or different kinds combine together forms a molecule. Therefore, molecules can be classified into two types: molecule of an element, for example, hydrogen molecule, and the molecule of a compound, for example, water molecule. Symbol. A symbol is the short form that stands for the atom of a specific element or the abbreviation used for the name of an element. Each element is denoted by a symbol. Now let's learn some symbols of some common elements. In this table, the name of the element is written in English and the symbol. So, the symbol of hydrogen is H, lithium Li, sodium Na, potassium K, magnesium Mg, calcium Ca, aluminium Al, nitrogen N, oxygen O, fluorine F, chlorine Cl, bromine Br. Now you can see that the first letter or first alphabet of the symbol is always in uppercase, while the second letter or alphabet is in the lower case. Now let's see the another table. The symbol of carbon is C, sulfur S, phosphorus P, boron B, silicon Si, zinc Zn, copper Cu, silver Ag, gold Au, platinum Pt, chromium Cr and cobalt Co. CO. Cobalt symbol is CO. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the video.